Hello. Today we are going to learn to use the toilet. Using a toilet helps us stay clean and healthy. Watch me first. Pull down your pants. Sit on the toilet. Wipe. Flush. Wash hands. Look. Try. Clean. Now it's your turn. Pull down your pants. Sit on the toilet. Wipe. Flush. Wash your hands. Good job. Pull down. Sit. Wipe. Flush. Wash hands. Nice work. Ready? Pull down. Sit. Wipe. Flush. Wash hands. Great. Pull down. Sit. Wipe. Flush. Wash hands. Super. Excellent. Last time. Pull down. Sit. Wipe. Flush. Wash hands. Fantastic. You used the toilet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are amazing at using the toilet. High five. See you next time.